Last week, Kyle got a ride to the airport from a random stranger. While they talked about his career at Grade 5 high school, the stranger got fed up because Kyle was late. He only had 4 minutes to catch the plane. They sped across town and got to the airport. When they got to the airport, Kyle forgot his picture. Oh no! Well, he went to the wrong airlines. Did he make the plane? That's what you missed on Kyle!
Oh, I just got back from the Conto airport. Been walking around for a few hours now. And man, there's just gotta be something historical in this town. Oh, well, look what we got here. We got ourselves a nice little tobacco farm here in North Carolina. I took the wrong flight earlier, and that's why I ended up here. North Carolina was one of the first 13 colonies to start growing tobacco. Let's see if I can hop this fence right here and try and get over. Oh, sweet Theodore! It's barbed wire. Get the hell away from my farm! Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I was just checking out your tobacco farm. No, you're not!
Better go look up where GHS is. I mean, this looks like a really valuable possession, probably his most valuable possession. Gotta get it back to Kyle. Alright, gotta go look up GHS. Whoa. I'm gonna need that back.
No, you're not.
I'm gonna need that back.
Step back. This is a valuable piece of history, and I need it.
It's okay, Nash. We can resolve this.
You're messing with the wrong guy.
That's not even mine. Can we just make like a trade? Whoa.
Property of... Who's Kyle Norwood? Dang it! It's just Teddy Roosevelt!
I feel the tension rising in this town. Back at those tobacco fields. Man, this is one quality train right here. I hope it can take me to Oyster Bay.
Hey!
Hey!
What are you doing?
Wondering, sir, do you know if this train is going to go to Oyster Bay?
I don't know, I'm just on the rides here. They take me where I go.
Oh, interesting. Well, did I join you?
I don't care.
All right. You know what, sir? I'm going to go get some water. I've been walking all day. Finally found a train station, so I'm going to go to the station and just go get a bottle of water real quick, right?
You better do that, but it's leaving in a couple minutes.
All right.
Bye!
Will Mr. Norwood ever get his picture back? Will he make the train? Find out next week on the adventures of Kyle Norwood!